Hello everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to make condensed milk cake. You will need 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 eggs, 'Mix eggs and butter together. And then you put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then 1 can of condensed milk. One cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then mix everything together. After that, you grease your pan with butter. Make sure it's not stick when you bake it. Preheat the oven 350 degrees and bake it for 35 minutes. Alright, here's our condensed milk cake. It's really yummy. I just ate a piece because I could not wait. Anyway, hope you guys try this at home. It's really easy to make. And please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.